we've lost 70% of all biodiversity. There's a new market that is emerging, which is saying, well, if we've lost 70% of nature, how can we start investing in it? And how can we get companies to pay to protect it and to restore it and get that 70% to go back? The most important thing is we need to price and value nature. We need to make sure that where you have a negative externality, it's seen as a liability on a company's balance sheet. And anything that is done to restore that is then seen as an asset. If I start restoring rivers, if I start planting trees, I reduce the flood risk, I reduce drought, I improve the soil quality, I improve the water quality, which brings back more bees, that brings back more insects. Then we have a regenerative nature-based economy. But this is not philanthropy. I need to make money to make sure that you have enough money when you retire. I feel I'm lucky that I know pension funds, I know how they think, I know how they work. And actually what we are seeing is countless research saying the asset class that they most want to invest into is climate-driven investing. So I include everything, investing in renewables and battery technology and circular economy and nature-based solutions. Nature is the new kid on the block, and this is about people as well as about nature, as well as about planet. I like to say I want to help people achieve the financial future they want to achieve in a world worth living in.